Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora, Outlier, LLC, and guess what we got today? We got the quick and dirty way, the quick and easy way, a quick tip on how to work with developers to make their apps accessible. Now, I have an app that I purchased. That's the key. I purchased it, and it's not fully accessible, and it could be easily fully accessible. And I'm going to talk to you about how I work with a developer, which I have not using this app, talk to the developer at all, but I'm going to show you and the developer what's wrong with the app and how it can be made more accessible. Now, what's the benefit to that? Number one, exposure to millions of blind people that ordinarily wouldn't use the app because it's not accessible. More money in their pocket. Again, I purchased it. I'm blind, and I did it for a particular reason. I wanted the purgeable hard drive portion to be freed up so that I could use it. It was 79 gigabytes. I needed that 79 gigabytes. This app purported to free up that space. It did. It does. And it does a whole lot more. A lot of it is not accessible to me, but what I needed it for, it did. So we're going to look at the app, and then we're going to talk about talking to the developer. How does that work? What does that look like? All right, so we got an app. We want to make it accessible. We can do a video very similar to this one. We can go over the aspects of the app that's not accessible, and then we could talk to the developer about what needs to be there, what could be there to make it accessible, right? Simple email. The big thing is you communicate with them. They don't know. They can make it accessible. They can even allow you to test the app before they even put it out in a update to the rest of the world, and now it's accessible. Somebody like me, I'm going to shout it to the hills. Hey, accessible app. Works great. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to help developers make their app more accessible for everyone. So the name of the app is BuhoCleaner. It's by Dr. Buho. I don't know if that's a real doctor or a company or whatever the case may
Finish
be.
button.
My receipt said Dr. Buho LLC or something like that. All right.
Finder. BuhoCleaner. BuhoCleaner. Entering Windows. Lock. Close button. Minimize. But BuhoCleaner has new dialog.
All right.
Actions available.
Excuse me. So I'm on a portion of the app. Doesn't really matter because it's going to work the same. They're going to get the concept. They're going to understand. And they're going to be able to see what you're trying to describe to them. So close button.
Image. Button.
We got an image and a button. What is it an image of, Dr. Buho? What is that button for? It just says button. I don't know what to do. Why would I click it? It could break. I don't know.
Start over.
I could start over. Is that what that button is depicting? How about label the button?
App uninstall.
Well, maybe not because we got app uninstall now. Is it uninstalling the app?
Button.
And then that's a button. And it's right after.
App uninstall. Start over.
Start over. So is what's to the left of the button, what the button is doing is to the right of the button. I don't know.
App uninstall. Button. Icon char. Image.
All right, icon char, is that, I don't know. What is it? It's an icon. It's a char, whatever char is.
BuhoCleaner.
Then name of the app.
Button.
Then there's a button. Again, I don't know what that button is for.
Uninstall V2 apps gray. Image.
Uninstall blah, blah, blah apps gray. Make that more clear.
All applications.
All applications.
191.
Total 191 applications I have on the computer. I would imagine. I'm guessing we getting there. All right. I got a lot of apps. That's ridiculous. All right.
Dphone. Think.
This is the app that is up to be deleted because this is the function of BuhoCleaner that I'm in, app deletions, right?
Uninstall V2 leftovers gray. Image.
Uninstall V2 leftover gray. It's an image. I don't
Leftovers.
know. Then you got leftovers. And I guess that is saying the remnants that are left over from deleting the app, do you want to find and delete those as well? As a matter of fact, I pretty much am demising that. That's summarizing that that's exactly what it's for.
Button.
I don't know, button. That could be destroy your whole computer button. I don't know.
42.
42.
The apps developed by Devone Think.
Apps developed by Devone Think. I don't know.
Uninstall V2 selected gray image.
Uninstall V2 selected gray image.
Button.
I don't know what that is. And then there's a button.
Selected.
And then it's selected. Is it selected? I
0.
don't know. 0 selected, I guess.
Sort by name. Button.
Button.
Table. Row 2 of 6. App uninstall. Selected. Table. Row 8 of 12. Row 8 of 12. Selected.
All right. And so 8 of 12, it says it's selected, but I don't know what's selected. What's selected? I don't know.
Table. No selection.
No selection in the table.
Intake. X menu. Empty checkbox image. Collapse. X menu. Empty. X menu. Empty checkbox image. Collapsed.
X menu, empty checkbox image.
Row 1 expanded. Row 1 collapsed.
Expand that.
X menu. Empty check. X menu. X menu. Empty checkbox image. Collapsed. Row 1 expanded. Row 1 collapsed. X menu. Empty checkbox image.
All right,
Collapsed.
so that's definitely a problem because I'm expanding it and then it collapses itself on its own. So I don't know.
Out update 0. Byte. 109 GB. Selected. Total. Remove button.
And then I can remove that.
Remove button.
I'm gonna actually do it because I don't need a debone think. I don't know why I got that.
In dialog. Are you sure you want to proceed? The files empty. Table. Total. 0 byte. Cancel. Remove button.
No, I can't because I didn't actually select the app.
Remove button. Cancel button.
But I mean, why is remove highlighted?
Remove button.
It's nothing to. Let's see.
Closing dialog image. Button. BuhoCleaner. Table. Row completed. 0 byte.
All
Items
right,
have been cleaned. Done. Button. Window. Icon char. Image.
cool. All right, so both you out there as well as Dr. Buho, you get the picture. Things are not as it seems. It's not accessible. It's not working. And so I'm going to send a letter, email to Dr. Buho along with tagging them on social media. And I'm just going to ask, hey, can we work together, no charge, and make this app accessible? And it'll make more money because I'll shoot it out to you guys and say, look at another developer willing to make their app accessible to all just by labeling buttons and images. Cool. All right, guys, you know what it is. Let's change the world. Let's make apps more accessible, and let's change the world together.